Right, maths time. So I hope you enjoyed meeting the number 11 yesterday. Before we go on to explore more about 11 and how we make up the number 11, we're going to have to remind ourselves all about number bonds, just in case you've forgotten. So number bonds is when two things added together make the whole. Okay, so we do it all the time with our fingers. Okay, so when we have our 10 fingers, I always say, show me 2, show me 5. Okay, and so if you put the 2 together, that's how you're going to make. So if you have 5 and 5, that's going to make 10. So using whatever you have at home, I want you to see if you can find all the number bonds to 10. Okay, we have had a go at this in class. It's just a kind of a reminder to see if you can show your mums and dads, or if you've completely forgotten, then we'll have to go through it again. Okay, so I have borrowed some of Summer's cubes. She won't mind. So first of all, I have to check. You don't have to use cubes. You could use spoons. You could use little pasta shapes. You could use whatever you have in the house. Okay, so we must check that we've got 10 to begin with. So please count with me. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good start. Right, so we have our 10 blocks. Now this is a whole, this is the number 10, but I need to break it up to find the 2 bonds that are going to make it together. Okay, so I'm going to break it here. So together there were 10, but separately I need to have a look. So put them a bit closer, I think. I shall have to hold them, I'm afraid. So on this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 4. So I check the other side, and on this side, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know that 4 plus 6 equals 10, because we put them back. Now, if I wanted to show that, okay, I can get my paper, whatever we've got, and I can always put the number 10 at the top, so I know the number I'm trying to make. And I found out that 4 plus 6 equals 10. So I have found one of the number bonds. I'm going to go back to my cubes and I'm going to look again. Right, I'm going to go... You also do that fun maths karate chop we sometimes do. So this time, on this side, I've got 1, 2, 3. 3. On this side, let's check the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 on the other. So, going back to my pen, I'm going to write it down so I don't forget it. The first one, 3. Plus, how many was it? Do you remember? 7. You can always recount. That's the great thing about using things. You don't have to keep it up in your heads. It's in front of you. 3 plus 7 equals 24. No? Just checking you were actually listening. It doesn't equal 24. We put it together and it will still equal 10. Your challenge for your math session is to see how many number bonds you can find. Afterwards, there's a little video that you can go and have a look at, and you can tick off to see how many you found. Good luck!